This question is for Harold. What if you made a jetpack using rifles? Not rockets. Not turbines. Rifles. Cold steel locked to your back. Barrels aimed straight at the earth. Your finger tightening on one trigger. You stand at the edge of a rooftop. Wind howling. Gravity waiting. You pull it. The world erupts beneath you. Explosions stack on explosions. Metal screams. Do you rise into the sky? Or tear yourself apart trying? Imagine. Every bullet fired downward pushes you upward. That brutal kick on a shoulder? That's physics fighting back. Force down. Force up. Simple in theory. Savage in reality. A rifle weighs around 10 pounds. One shot? A jolt. 10 shots per second? Continuous thrust. Thrust is just mass times speed. Tiny bullets. Incredible velocity. Repeated rapidly. For a moment, a fast-firing rifle can push harder than its own weight. Meaning, if bolted upright and fired non-stop, it could lift itself. Briefly. But lifting itself isn't the goal. You weigh 150 pounds. One rifle might give only a few extra pounds of upward force. So you add more. 5, 10, 20. Now it's a vibrating cage of barrels under your boots. At around 30 rifles, you might hover. Not soar. Hover. And only while everything is firing perfectly. The sound would be unbearable. Like standing inside thunder. Hot gas blasting down. Shockwaves rattling your ribs. It wouldn't feel like flying. It would feel like surviving. Add 40. Add 60. Now you climb faster. Because as rifles multiply, your weight matters less compared to total thrust. You could rise several meters per second. For a few seconds, you'd feel unstoppable. Then comes the enemy no one sees. Ammunition. Every bullet adds weight. More ammo means longer thrust, but heavier lift. Too much? You never leave the ground. Too little? You get seconds. Even perfectly balanced, you might get 15 seconds of fire. You shoot upward. Wind screaming past your ears. Then, silence. No recoil. No thrust. Just gravity. You coast upward for a heartbeat. Then fall. Unlike wings or helicopters, this machine cannot glide. When it stops firing, it becomes a falling frame of steel. And every round you fire downward must land somewhere. This isn't just inefficient. It's dangerously uncontrollable. Yes, on paper, with enough rifles and careful math, you could lift off. But it would be deafening, unstable, terrifyingly short. Rockets are designed to lift. Rifles are designed for something else. And when you try to turn recoil into flight, you don't build a jetpack. You build a countdown. So Zach, if you made a jetpack using rifles, you might touch the sky, but only for a moment. Because some machines are meant to fly, and some are never meant to leave the ground.